In Revenge of the Sith, General Grievous walks onto the film like he has a nasty cold, coughing his lungs out. Have you ever wondered why? The answer is actually quite interesting. In canon, Grievous underwent several dangerous and deadly experiments and added cybernetics to the alien creature from Palpatine. If you didn't know, Grievous was actually just a normal person born of the species Kalish on the planet Kali. There he lived his early life before getting in a deadly spaceship crash where he would have died if Count Dooku had not found him. I will make another video on this going into more depth. After Palpatine completed his cybernetic treatments, it became known that Palpatine had gone almost too far and it left the leader of the droid army with a relentless cough. A cough that would never leave him until his death at the hands of Obi-Wan years later. In Legends, the answer comes from the now non-canon Clone Wars 2003 series. After Grievous invaded Coruscant and kidnapped the Chancellor, which then leads into the third movie, Grievous was being hunted and followed by other Jedi. When boarding his ship with Palpatine as his prisoner, Mace Windu reaches out with the Force and squeezes his lungs and other organs together. This then left Grievous with his vicious cough. Here is that clip of Mace Windu destroying his lungs. The reason for them including this was that they had almost finished filming the animated show when George Lucas pointed out to the director that they needed to explain his cough that would eventually happen in episode 3. In a last minute decision, they added this quick 5-second scene to explain his coughing issue. In the movies, General Grievous's cough is actually performed by none other than George Lucas himself, who was terribly sick one day when he started coughing onto the microphone. The editors then changed the sound of the cough to match Grievous's tone and pitch. Which explanation do you prefer, canon or legends? Let me know in the comments below.
Thanks for watching, I really hope you enjoyed it. And as always, have a good day everyone.